Hi Sanvi. Hi Artpuri. I think that's Somita. Hi Davik. Thanks for joining. I know you'll be leaving very soon, but still. How are you all? Hi Prerna, right on time. I was so excited for you to join because you were just chatting and then being able to see you here. Hi Shreya. Hi Sukriti. And मैंने नाम ठीक बोला. I'm pretty sure, so don't tell me that. Hi Ruchi. Hi Anushka, thanks for joining. I'm excited to join the session with you today. Hi Karthik, hi Ruhi. Love you too, Sukriti. Hi Neetu. Hi Mansik. Hi Chavi. Hi Geetika, thanks for joining. You made it this time. I am good, Anushka. How are you? Hi Tiara, you all joined. I'm so happy. I mean, some of my students are here, which is something I feel very excited and nice about. I'm good, Neetu. How are you? Ah, thank you, Prerna. Hi Kartike. Ruhi, I am sure because you texted me so many times about the live, and believe me, it's mainly because of your text that I plan to go live again. Of course, I know that Tiara, it's you. Thank you so much, Mansik. Hi Parul. Hi Bipasha. Hi Urvashi. Thanks for joining again. I hope you make journals today with me. So I'll just wait for another minute. Let others join. I'll then move on to showing you the material. Hi Pooja. And then we'll begin with the journaling process itself. And of course, today as well, I am planning to, Ruhi has already sent her request to be a part of the live. Hi Tani. Thank you, Mad Arts. Even I'm excited for today. Hi Tulika. If I hope I'm pronouncing the names correct. Hi the Scribbler. Thank you so much, Artpuri. Please repeat your names, yaar. I'm very, very bad at remembering them. I'm sure about that. Oh, Karthik, how are you? I'm sure asked you from my heart. Same here, Geetika. Even I am excited. It's okay, Davik. I completely understand. It's not cup of your tea. All right, Ruhi. So Ruhi is indicating that we need to start now. Hi, Sam Bhaiya. How are you? Yes, the guessing of the theme was very, very right. So yes, it's going to be Halloween. Actually, all of you except from a few were right. It's going to be Halloween. So of course, and we'll move the same way. We'll start. I have certain things in mind about through which I'll begin with. After that, I'll of course want you or invite you to join me with the live. Give your ideas. Then whatever you tell, we'll go ahead with it. Yes, Halloween is the theme. So congratulations to all of you who have answered correctly. Thank you. Happy Halloween to all of you. All right. So now I quickly switch the camera, put my phone on the stand, and we'll begin with the journaling. I'll show you my materials. And a lot of you might not have the same papers, not the same colors, not the same materials, which is completely fine. You can choose any color palette that you like. Hi Sneha, thanks for joining. Alright, so I'll now quickly switch my camera and then let's begin with the process of journaling. Hi Muskan. Alright, I'll just quickly light up the area as well. Okay. Hi Ruhi. Okay, Tiara and all are saying hi to each other. I'm sorry for those who have missed saying hi to. Alright. So to begin with, I had already posted it in the story as well. I'll do that here too. So this is one sheet that I have, right? I have this one. I'm not very sure if I'll be able to use it or not because I could not really come up with a lot of ideas with it. Then a orange and a black sheet. I have also brought cotton with me because I've seen certain people, giving that spooky effect with it. Difference between art journal and junk journal aesthetic Gabru, I would say I'll send you a link. I did not check my messages yet. So if you check out the link in my website, you'll go to my in my bio, you'll go to my website. I have clearly, given the difference between all of these. So I'm sure that will help you a lot. Alright then. So these are some more things that I gathered and I thought I would be needing. Then I have brought a pencil color as well, and this also, it's a punching machine which cuts the shapes of leaves. I am not sure if it will work well, but let's see where and how we can accommodate it. As for black glitter sheet, if you don't have it, you can use a plain black sheet also. And to be very frank, till now I have no plans of using this glimmering sheet, because this doesn't fit in anywhere with my plans. So I think even if you don't have it, you would do well without it. Alright, so now let's begin with, when it comes to Halloween, the first thing we always think of are pumpkins. But before pumpkins, what I have in mind is that I'll draw a web on this corner of the page. And of course, in a web, you can always go very random. I'll make it a little bigger so that it covers almost half of the page. And if anyone else, feels that, you don't have a certain material, please feel free to ask in the chat box itself. And we'll see how it goes from there. And like we did previously, I have a certain ideas. After that, of course, I'll ask you to request to join if you have ideas. You can share your artwork if you don't want to showcase your face, and we'll take it ahead from there. Okay, a lot of you are giving a thumbs up and I'm really... Oh, hi Aisha, glad to see you here. Muskan, I hope you will be doing it this time also with us. Hi Komal, hi Nishita. It's so good to see you people here, because I'm sure you are bringing a lot of ideas along with you. So okay, a lot of you are using, sending requests to be in the live already. So at first, I already have ideas. I have an idea for the whole spread, but of course we'll go with this together. We'll go with whatever you people ask me to do. But I'll ask you to send a request and then you can send it to me, then I'll add you to the live. Okay, you use red or pink instead of orange, that is completely fine. See, one thing I always keep telling you is that it's your journal. You have to be happy with what you are doing. So, go with, even if it's yellow, if it's pink, if it's red, even if it's a purple, it's completely fine. Hi, color, discolor. Yeah, please, you guys will have to give me your names again, because I am very bad at remembering them. So it's your usernames I'll be addressing you from. And if you see, I'm drawing the web very randomly. There is no, if you say it's not neat, it's not precise or anything, it has even smudged a little here, but let it be. I'm just using it as a background for now. Sukriti, I'm sure you are sending the hearts, so thank you so much. I would be really glad if you could, make it as well. Hi Pallavi. Hi Grateful Soul. So glad to see you here. Hi Grinning Strokes. Yeah, please pardon me for not remembering the names. Alright. Now the next thing I had planned was that I'll put pumpkins here. And we all know, I just went to a quick guide to how to draw them. And I forgotten the pencil as well. But I think we can always do without it. And these are all the papers that I save up and don't throw them. I'm sure a lot of us do the same. So to draw a pumpkin, I'll just take the reference of the size I want. I'll be making 2 of them with different sizes. If you have any more ideas, of course, you're always welcome to share it. After drawing this pumpkin, I'll ask you people to send me requests for joining the live, and then we'll take it together from there. I want one bigger one and another smaller one. Hi Vritti. Spider, yes. Tiara, you're always so full of ideas and so always ready to take it forward. So Tiara, of course, we'll take the spider also. The fact only, condition is that you draw it and show it to me, because last time, of course, I could draw the astronaut as Bhuvi had recommended. But a spider is completely clueless for me to doodle around with. Alright, so now I have drawn the 2 pumpkins and I'll cut them so that we can place them wherever we like. And if you don't have an orange sheet, please do not fret about it. You can always take any other colored paper for the same. You can use yellow, you can use red, even if you have green, that works. The only thing is you should be very careful about the rest of the combination that you will follow in your whole journal. Like today I have in mind orange and black, which go pretty well together. So if you are suppose you are picking up blue, so take up a color that you feel will look good with it. It can be light blue, that's what comes on the top of my mind. It can be light pink as well. Okay, a lot of you are already sending requests to be in my video. Now let me make this a little difficult. So I will add you to the video only if you tell me that you are already ahead of me and you can show me what you want me to do next. Right? I mean, I know it's a little tricky, but let's see if we can get a hang of it. Hi Neha. Alright, I'm really sorry to those I cannot say hi to. I'm just busy cutting the pumpkin right now. So, circle and 8 legs. Okay, yeah, that's very intelligent. That's a very quick doodle and I would certainly like to try it because easy is quite my thing. Well, the pumpkins are turning out very fine and I'm really happy about that. I said Pyara, not Vritti. Come on, itna bhi kya self-obsession. Alright, so now since I told you I already have these pencil colors, I would like to give it a little, effect, shade it a little so that, we get that desired gradient sort of a thing. And again, I would repeat myself here, I do not, get any precise in what I'm making. So you can certainly skip it if you want. If you just want to draw it with a black pen, just draw the outline with a black pen and that would also do. No, Ruhid, I don't do that right now. And I think it's very early to do that, in fact. But well, we never know. But thanks for mentioning my shop. Maybe I can use this, opportunity to promote it. Those who are here and those who are new here would not know, but I have this venture called Shop Kimmy's Corner where I am curating some supplies for journaling that we usually do not get. And if you want, you can check it out and you can always buy it from there. Yes, a ghost would be a very, very welcome idea. So, of course, like I said, if you can also show it to us, it would be really great and we would enjoy it together. But yeah, ghost will be something we'll come up with later. I am to a winner of lies, Vritti. How can I stop doing that? Yes, we'll add a white small ghost. So everyone is so full of ideas and that really excites me a lot. So I'm just coloring these tips black. And if you want, you can always make any kind of spooky face on these pumpkins. A skull, yes. How are you people so full of ideas? I hope you are making it with me. Don't just keep giving me ideas, yaar, come on. Vidya, I know you are a very supportive man. Thank you so much for being you. So you can of course give any kind of variation you want with the faces. I would go with these because that's the only thing I remember to make. And of course there are a lot of variations you can bring with the face as well. Okay, you made a ghost already, Anushka. My god. Alright, I'll take you live next. Half moon with black brush. Okay, Urvashi, I'll take you next after Anushka maybe. Okay, so now we are having lines. Come on. We already have people lined up. So it's Anushka and then Urvashi if you like to join. Hi Bhuvi. Thank you Neha. Thank you so much. Alright, so this is where I had planned to put the pumpkins. Alright, so Anushka, I'll add you next. You can show me wherever you have put the ghost and I'll see if that fits in my journal or if I can accommodate it somewhere. So Anushka, I would tell all the others who are here. Anushka has been really, I mean, even in the last journal that we made, she was so excited with, and she gave so many ideas that and half of the ideas were her probably, if I'm not wrong, or the major ideas to be precise. Oh my God, Anushka, you have made so much already.
Yeah,
Okay, so the ghosts look
because every
lovely.
time I'm so excited to join your live, so I just prepare everything.
Oh my God, that's so sweet, Anushka. All right, so ठीक है, we have the ghosts with us,
I
and
made here
where
small
do you
ghost.
want me to place them? Because your theme is a little different, or whatever has come up is a little different. So if you could tell me
So
where do you plan to put them?
in the
A
corner
black
somewhere,
cat. Okay, yes, Anushka, please tell me.
in the corner somewhere.
In the corner somewhere. All right. Cool. Okay, so ghosts are something that we'll put on hold for now because I can't see where I'll place them at last. Or maybe what
Yeah,
we can
sure.
do is write Happy Halloween here and then draw the ghosts. All right, Anushka, let's go with doing that. Falling of black flowers, amazing idea. Hi, Vanisha. A black cat or a bat, artistic world. Taken that. Cool. Black hat and wands. So Prerna, please make them and let's see how you are accommodating it. So to write the Happy Halloween, I'm taking this idea from Anushka and I'll be writing Happy Halloween here. And if you also have seen how she has made it, you'll get an idea. As such, I tell my students to use a pencil while writing so that you know how much space your text is going to take. But then right now we are all super adults and super experts, so let's not give it that. Which is of course a good idea. Asmi and Geetika, I'm so proud you both are my students giving up such nice ideas. Prerna is another student. Yeah, I'm so proud of my students already. Thank you, Prerna. These ideas are super. Black hand and wands. Even I had that in mind. So let's see how can we go along. Also brooms, yes, brooms also was something. So I think Halloween has some same elements that we all usually go after. So let's see where can we accommodate them all. And I'll repeat myself here, please pardon my handwriting. You all know there is no scope of improvement as of now. Alright, so I'll take this from Anushka again. Anushka, you are really, really great with ideas. In a spooky font, oh my god, that would be a lot for me, Ruhi, because I don't know if how long have you been here on Kimmy's Corner, but for those who are here know how pathetic my handwriting and calligraphy is. So I'm not even giving it a shot right now. Oh, thank you, Geetika. You're so sweet. So now coming to the ghosts that Anushka said. So I'll be making those in the corner. And of course, if you have any variation for them, you probably use the emojis that are already there in the keyboard, copy it from there. So one here and one tiny one here. We'll see what we do with the remaining part. But these are the two that I'm using. The basic reason is I don't want to overload it with the same elements over and over again right away. Maybe in the end, if I feel, we need to put in more quotes, I'll do that, but not right now. All right, a scary message for host. Okay, good idea, Ruhi. Okay, Anushka. Great. Also make dark bushes. Okay, a person laughing with ghosts. My God, that's such a complicated thing. All right, now let's go to the next one who wants to come to the live again. I mean, not again, but who wants to join now. Hi, Bhumika. Sorry, hi, Tanya. Glad you joined. All right, who is up next? Who has the next step sorted and can guide us further? All right, so since there are no requests, but I'll just give you a layout of what I had in mind. I mean, I did not plan to write Happy Halloween here. I was planning to put up a witch hat here and a spooky house here. So maybe we can go with that. Hi, Anjana. Okay, anyone who wants to join and show whatever you want to do, or maybe then we can continue with what I had planned. Okay, Prerna, let me see if, can you please send me a request to be live? Okay, I found you, never mind. A ghost tiara, yes, a ghost has already been made. So I would of course want more ideas here. All right, Prerna. So what next?
So we can
Oh,
put
lovely broom.
brooms.
So how have you made it?
So I have cut
Using
out this
paper.
paper. Yeah, yeah.
All
I'm just
right,
cutting the sticks now.
fine. All right, so let's go ahead with it. Again, I'll
We
do
can
a
also
random
make them
cutting
in
here.
brown.
Okay. So I'm randomly cutting it here. No drawing because like I said, I have forgotten my pencil. All right, Tiara, maybe you can send me a request after this and but please make sure that you show us what you plan for us to do. That would be easy for everyone to understand what our next step is going to be. So for everyone who wants to give an idea, it's better if you can also show us what you plan to do. So I'm cutting a slight slit from here so that it opens up and looks more like a broom. Very good improvisation, Prerna, I must say, and it very quick. It gave us all a very good idea of how we want to go ahead with this. And again, I'll brag about Prerna being my student. So thanks for being a student and being such a nice student at that. Thank you so much, Anjana. I'm glad you noticed. Which box are we talking about, Tiara? I am not sure, but yes, it wherever you can find things, whatever you can improvise with what you have would be really great. So you see, these were the slits that I had cut up so that it gives us the look of the broom here. Okay, bags again, Asmi, that's what I would tell you again. It's better if you can make it and then show it to us instead of just telling. So that's one condition I'm putting in my live again. If you want to join the live, you have to make something and then show it to us instead of just telling. That way it makes it easier for me to know who wants to come next. So just a simple strip to make the pole for that broom. Devil's horns, Vanisha, that's another good idea. Great. Alright, so here we have the broom. Anyone else who wants to show us what they're doing, add my story, of course. So Ruhi, I don't know what kind of story you want me to add. Acha, theek hai, Tiara, I'll add you. Just a second, let me find you. And if I can, I'll send you a request. I've sent you a request, Tiara, so maybe you can join it and show whatever you are up to, and then we'll a vampire Anjana, another amazing idea, but please I would want you to show me how that's done. So Tiara, you'll need to accept my request to show us what you are up to right now. And meanwhile, maybe we can draw a hat here, a witch's hat here, and then we'll see how we can improvise upon that. I use a white pen to draw it because I have forgotten the pencil, like I said. You can't find the request. Okay, let me try sending it again. It will flash on your screen itself, Tiara. So maybe it should appear there itself. Meanwhile, if someone else is ready to show me their artwork and join me in the live, I'll be really glad. Top three favorite live works are already for the last live, Anushka. They are already there on my highlight with best of lives. For today's, after I think everyone has submitted and tagged me in the stories, I'll highlight them on the same in the highlight on my profile itself. So the highlight is called Best of Live. You can always go and check it out. So there are different lives that I've conducted on different platforms on my platform, and you can always check out whatever is there. Okay, so Tiara, I've sent you a request again. If you can please check it and see if you can join again. I don't think so. Oh, no, it doesn't happen with the laptop, Tiara. All right, so that's the hat we were preparing. I'll paste it here. I think it already has that Halloween look that we, so wanted to bring out. Okay, now what next? We had ideas about a witch, we had ideas about a vampire, we had ideas about a devil horn. What else? Happy Halloween, just mold it. It's okay, Tiara, let it be now. Anyone else who is ready to join us? Okay, Prerna. Right, trick or treat. Again, a good idea. Hi, Parul. Okay, so Prerna, I'm adding you again. Urvashi, I thought you also wanted to be here. Just let me know if you're ready and to show it to us. A haunted house, that's what I had in mind. So let's see if we can make something like that. A devil horn, Tiara, taken that, but somehow I feel I'll not be able to fit it in my journal. Wear a cap onto the pumpkin. Good idea, but I've already drawn it, so I'll, not go after again. Okay.
So we
So,
can write
Prerna, could
it
you please?
like this,
Okay,
and we
nice.
can cut out and write
Wow,
paste.
I love it. I really like it. So just mold it up, which is a little complicated for me to draw. And as most of you know, I do not go for complicated stuff. Hi, Gaurav. Okay, so Prerna, lovely idea. So all those who are looking at Prerna's screen, you can certainly do this part that you can, spread the happy Halloween on the complete page. You can make the A as a ghost. A very, very lovely idea, Prerna. And again, I'll brag here. Prerna is my student. So proud of you, Prerna. All right.
Thank you.
So, okay then. So now let's go ahead with. So, Prerna, I think you'll have to leave the live yourself. I am not able to do that somehow. Now, what I'll do is I'll draw a haunted house, and for that, I'm using these glitter sheets. What I'll do is I'll draw it here, a simple house, nothing very fancy about it, and of which, of course, the idea is taken, but somehow it's very complicated, and I do not want to go for it right away. Of course, for those who would like to make that improvisation, please go ahead and share it in your stories. And I would love to see what you people come up with. Now, if you can see, I have not drawn anything. It might cost me a lot. I mean, it's quite risky to cut it just like that. But then I do not want to draw it either. For two reasons that I don't have a pencil and I don't want to draw. The second and very easy one. And the best part is you can always improvise. Apart from the fact if you don't have anything, if you don't have a lot of sheet, it will be a risk. But other than that, you can always improvise on whatever you do. So this is what I'll be pasting here. Now, if you feel that, okay, no problem. I could not see it, Prerna. So the broom is a little bigger from the house, but that is completely fine because right now what we are doing is we are just trying to bring in all the elements of Halloween together. So even when if we paste this house, what we see is it's pretty much similar to the size of pumpkins also, right? Now the next thing I wanted to do was to paste windows in this house. And for those who joined me last time, you might remember that I had this cardboard which I used to make the frame. I'll use the same to draw the windows as well. Hi Sonia. So I'll simply cut two squares and that's how I'll make the windows. Here again, what you can also do is you can, give some kind of, spooky eyes to the house if you want, right? So And you can also, I mean, now that I have thought of it, I'm thinking that maybe, I can just try making it and see if it goes well. Pranjali, welcome back. I did not see you joining. So glad to have you here again. And Pranjali, I'm very excited to see your variation. The last time you used the frames was superb. For those who do not know, I could not share it on my stories because he had a private account, but it was a lovely thing to see. All right, so I'm not sure if these spooky eyes would go well, so I'll probably go with the squares itself, and I'll probably make a face underneath, a grin or something like that. Thank you so much, Sonia. All right, so if anyone else is ready with more ideas, you can certainly send a request to me and I'll add you to the live with me. We can share ideas, you can give ideas. And if you think it's the condition is quite hard that you have to make it and then show it to me, I can certainly loosen it up. It's our live after all, and it's Halloween, so no place for rules as such. And here I would like to make a face, but I'm again not sure. So let's just cut a strip, see if it fits well. And if it does, we'll paste it, else we can always discard it. It's as simple as that. Thank you so much, Sonia. You're so sweet. All right. So that's what I think it's looking a little less scary. So I might not want to go with it. Oh, that's lovely, Pranjali. I'm looking forward to that. All right. Anyone else, if you have any ideas? So I remember someone telling me about the moon. Okay, I think that was Urvashi, that you make half a moon using brush pens. Now again, I'm not sure if I'll be able to fit it in well. But so let's not go ahead with it right away unless and until someone can show me how to do it. The next thing I would like to do here would be as so I showed you this machine that I would use to punch out these shapes of leaves. Somehow these in black would definitely give a good effect. So if you do not, I'm sure a lot of you do not have this kind of a machine. So it's better to just simply cut leaves out of a black paper of any shape. Even the simple shapes that we have, they work completely fine. In fact, I feel my machine has also is a little jammed. It's not very easy to operate. But I'll just punch a few of these and see how they fit in well where I can face them. So that's another tip for you that you can go for night scene. Okay, can you elaborate on that, Sonia? So the thing with pasting stuff and journaling, mostly it's always better to give see where you are going to paste things. If they look good, only then go ahead and paste with it. Okay, Amrita, that's a lovely idea. I'm going to take on that next. Okay, so Neetu, I always prefer, if my page is completely filled out. And the messier it is, the better it looks to me. So of course, if those of you who want to, leave it like that, you can certainly do that. Okay, that's a lovely idea, Bhavneet. Could you make it and show it to me? And then probably just get send me a request to be added in the live, and I can certainly everyone can see what you are telling us to do. Okay, I do not know Anushka because it has been a long time since I last bought it, so as such I'm not very sure. All right, so let's just keep these leaves here for a while. And I now remember Tiara told us to draw spiders, and now we have another idea for bats as well. So let's see where we can fit these leaves in. I'm just keeping them for a side right now. So we'll draw this spider here because it goes well with the web. And Tiara told us a very simple trick. Just draw a circle and then just draw 6 legs and you are good to go. And Tiara, your tip is really, really good because see, it has come out so well. I'm so happy for that. Oh, no problem, Bhavneet. Then I'll try to make those brows myself and see if they come out well. So now I'm using a white pen to make some tiny eyes if possible because I feel they look a little cute. If you want, you can certainly skip this part. Now, because it's a web, I would like to fill it a little more with the spiders. So that's what I'll draw one more again. And you can make very tiny ones and fill up the whole space like this. I'm very sure a lot of you are making it because of the deadlock silence here. I remember the last time when we were making those planets and stars, people were so flooded with ideas. And right now I'm hoping actually that you are actually making it with me. But let's see, and I'm very excited to see you all sharing it on your stories and seeing all the variations because right now I've only seen Prerna's variation with it. And she has used yellow instead of orange, which has come up very nicely. So if you want, you can add some more. You can add some more spiders. You can bring a variation in their sizes. Okay, a moon. Where exactly, Sonia, can I place a moon? Because I also thought of that, but then again, I'm not sure whether it will fit in with the elements. It will all become very random. Now what we need is we want all these elements to connect together somehow, right? So I would want that I use this orange color here also, and black is already there, so that's completely fine. Okay, so now Pavneet told us that we can make the brows of the house. So let me try doing that. I am again not sure if they'll come up well, so let's just try placing them, and if they look good, we'll go ahead with it. Top of the page, okay. So a moon is a good idea, of course. So I think they're a little thick. I'll probably make them a little thinner, but I think they're going pretty fine. So maybe we'll paste it and go ahead with it. So I hope, Bhavni, this is what you told me to. On the top right corner, Prerna, now what is happening here is the reason I don't want to include a moon again is that we already have very different elements here, right? We have a hat, we have a house, we have a broom, there are pumpkins. And if I make a moon, it will all become very separate elements. I don't want everything to be flying in the air. A flying ghost is already here, Pranjali. So that's why I'm not repeating that also. Hi, Minnie. So right now I'm just pasting these eyebrows. And now if you remember, I mean, we did discuss it in the last live also. What is that one thing that you can always go for when you're not, when you're left with space and you have to fill it up? You can make pumpkin borderline in that page. Which page are we talking about here, Little Creative Heart? Spooky teeth to the house. We did think of that, but then they're not coming up very well because I feel again then that will need a lot of minute detailed work, which will be a little more for this live also. Trick or treat, show it as a background in the middle. Okay, so for that I think we'll need a pencil color, if I'm not wrong. Okay, peeping from behind the house is a good idea. Okay, so let me try using a yellow pen maybe, but again I'm not very sure about it. Doodles, yes, doodles and writing. Now, doodles and writing are something that I always go for when you have to fill up some space. So that's what I'll start doing here. I'll start writing from here, and you'll see as we, keep writing, the page will anyhow be filled. And if you want, you can use colored pen. If you want, you can use a black pen as well. I am using an orange one, or maybe I'll draw some doodles with the orange to bring some balance because there is orange here and there is no orange here. So that's what I'll do. So whatever doodles are left, I'll use the orange pen to do that. For writing, I'll be using a black pen. And again, like I always say, a journal is mostly brush pens also work. Okay, light colored pens for the moon, you are saying. Somehow I am still not convinced by the idea of, putting up a moon again on this. Maybe I can do something like this here. Okay, cool. Now I think I have another idea. You can, I would probably, what through the moon, what I'm thinking is we make a, mountain kind of a thing that, I can see the mountain from behind the house. A black cat on the roof. Lovely. That is such a lovely idea. I'll certainly draw that. Okay, on where the black pictures are there, you want me to draw a pumpkin borderline. Okay, I'm again not sure about it. Smoke coming from the chimney and taken treat written on it. All right, idea is taken. Cool, so let's go ahead with it. So firstly, we are drawing a moon, which I am hoping might look good, might not look good, I'm not sure. And I think it's looking good. So thanks for the idea to all those who were telling so. Right from the start about the moon, I think Tiara, you started it, Prerna convinced me. So here we are with the moon. Alright, so the next thing I would do is draw a cat on the roof of the house and the smoke coming out of the chimney and trick and treat written there. I'm not very sure if I'll be able to get the cat correctly, but it's okay, worth the risk, I guess. Somehow the doodles on live do come up well when I draw them. The astronaut part did give me some confidence, that you can always draw doodles and they might most of the times come up very, very, very well. A witch on a broomstick inside the moon. So Amrita, I would really, really like it if you could show it to me because I mean a cat is fine. Astronaut was okay, also fine. But drawing a complete witch would be something, a little too much to, just put it out of the brain like that on a live. It's a little challenging. Something with a shimmery paper. What that something could be, Chavi, I would really like to know. So yeah, a moon here would have looked good and then the witch could have been drawn here so that it completely would have filled up the page. That would have been a really nice idea. So those who haven't, started filling it up yet, you can always do that. You can always draw this moon in the center and then get to draw the witch over it. So here is where I'll write the trick and treat part so that it becomes a part of the smoke itself. Okay, what else do we have? Shiny eyes of the cat with a white pen. Okay, one tree with black pen. So where would that be, Sonia? Okay, let me try if I can draw such tiny eyes. Okay, somehow they have come up well. Here. It is coming out really, really nice and I'm enjoying how you people are brainstorming with all these lovely ideas here. Hi, Shining Pearl. What a nice name. All right. So I think let's now just go ahead with filling this part with writing because the live actually, before it goes over, because it's going to be an hour, I think after that it will have to be saved. So again, like I say, I always go with things very randomly. I do not plan out what I want to do. Dark brushes behind trick or treat, how would that be, Somita? If you could give me some ideas. Okay, so I'm simply writing a Halloween themed journal spread. So this is the fifth live. I remember from the last time I checked. Okay, now quickly tell me whose all ideas did I use in the spread so that I can mention it here and remember it forever. So I've written a Halloween theme journal, spread in live 5.0, and what a lovely audience. Brainstorming over the ideas on what all we can fill in it. Lovely grinning strokes, that are superb idea. I'll do that right away. Okay, Tiara said it for spiders. Alright, so we have these leaves here. And this idea was given by Grinning Strokes. Please, if you could tell me your name so that I can fit them here in my journal spread and remember it. They are looking really, really lovely. Thanks for the idea, man. I had completely forgotten about these leaves. And now that we are at it, we know where we are going to place the leaves. I'm going to, punch some orange ones so that I can, the panels that I had so been running after, we can do that. Arshdeep, finally I have your name. Cool, I'll write it right away after we are done with the leaves. So I think more of orange and less of black, and then we'll see if we can fit in these blacks somewhere on the right side, on the left side. Prerna, I am not forgetting you, of course, never. For all these lovely ideas, and I'm very excited about the spread because it's super creative and it's coming out really well. I don't want to bore everyone, but she is my student. But apart from that, jokes apart, you're really creative, and more than you being happy about being with me, I'm happy, you enrolled, and it was such a nice time in the sessions. Muskan, I'm so sorry. Now I remember you telling me your name last time as well. So aesthetic Gabru washi tapes are a nice idea, but I think they would go very well if we have something with the same theme. Right now, I do not have something that is black and orange that I can fit in here. So that's why I think I'll not go with washi tapes right now. But yes, they are a lovely idea. Thank you, Aryan. Yes, Urvashi, please join. And Aryan, you said it was going to be a random spread. You see, we have a title here. It's not done yet, never mind. So the part that you want to show us, you can certainly show that to us. If it's even if it's not complete. Just send me a request, I'll add you to the live. And we'll see what you have to. Candies. That's thank you so much, Aryan. Yeah, so candies are a nice idea, but I'm not sure if because what is happening here, Chavi, is that we have used most of it as a spooky theme, right? So if I bring in candies here, it might not fit in very well. So the reason I'm not filling this up is because I have to write here. It will look good, okay. Fine, we can certainly do that. Aesthetic Gabru, and I'll love to see what comes out. Okay, so Urvashi, I've sent you a request and you can join and show us whatever you have done. All right, the bats look very, very, very lovely. Let's try to include them. Thank you so much, Minnie. I'll look forward to that. Alright, so in Urvashi's spread, I saw the bats, which look really, really lovely. but I don't know where I can fit them here. So probably I'll may draw some very tiny ones because bats I feel are quite an important factor when it comes to Halloween. So with the for the names who have contributed today, I have written Prerna, I have written Tiara, I have written Arshdeep, I remember Muskan. Okay, for those whose ideas have been used, you can probably reply again, and I would love to write your names because I somehow I really love it whenever I get back to this spread and I can see, okay, these were the people who were there with me. So it's some kind of a very nice feeling. All right then. Anyone else, if any more things you want me to add, I would love to have your are genuinely scared of bats. Why is yeah, very true, very true. How could I forget that? My God, now it's the spookiest thing ever. Rightly pointed out, Bhavneet. All right. What else? If anyone wants to add the last bits, you can certainly let me know. Hi, Hema. Thanks for joining. And then let's sign off because I think it's pretty much done. If you want to add more details, you can add some Googles here. You can add spiders. You can add. Now, my suggestion here would be instead of introducing new elements, you can simply pick up all the elements that are already there in the spread and then paste them somewhere randomly, or just pick it up and draw it somewhere instead of introducing new elements. That's what I would suggest because otherwise, of course, it looks good when it's cluttered, but then you don't want a lot of elements and you don't want your spread to be very confusing. There has to be some limited things that occupy the space. Okay, I did not know about this blue moon. I don't actually know what is Halloween is about. I'll have to look it up. But write RIP. Okay, where do I write that? Black triangles, lovely idea, Urushi. Yes, autumn leaves to fill up the space is a superb idea. I might actually want to do that. Okay, then. So let's complete the spread. I'll also put it up on my stories. You guys also put it up in your stories and let's see how we have come up with it, how we have filled up the space, and how our spread has turned out. So it was a lovely small spider web doodles. Okay, lovely idea, Muskan. Okay, Tiara, that's another good idea. So okay, Neetu, Geetika, and Tiara are doing a journal session, journal challenge. You can check out any of their profiles and see the challenge there. Meanwhile, this Halloween thing is probably going to be the challenge for us. Please complete it. Add whatever you want to add in it. Pick up the elements that you like. Post it in your stories. Tag me. And I think by day after tomorrow, I'll be adding the top 3 to the highlight that says best of live. And I'm really excited to see what all variations you are going to bring it up. And let's say let's do another live, another session where we do this brainstorming and bring a spread together. So bye and good night and thank you all for joining.